Hey guys, it's Xerex here and today I'm going to play Minecraft. This is my first video, so please make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. First we need to make a world.
2,000 years later.
Yes, it's finally downloaded, and firstly we need to cut the tree. And because you don't get bored, I will speed up the video. Guys, I finally found the place where I can build my own home. And please like and subscribe video because it is important for me. It's time to make windows, so we need to grab some sand, melt in the furnace and get some glass. I finally here and I'm going to grab a few sand block to take back and melt. Also just a quick reminder to like and subscribe my channel because it really means a lot to me. As you can see, it's already night, so I will close the door so the guests do not enter, and as soon as the sun rises, I will continue the video. It's morning, so let's go hunting. Sorry, the video cut off by mistake, but it's time to recap what I did during the video. I built home and make a bed, and in next video I'm going to make a flowers garden in front of the house and make an animals farm. Peace.